Public is fickle.
An ally has been slain.
That's gotta be Nico. I was hoping that was not the real one. Honestly, I saw my damage and I thought I could do enough to kill him, and I thought it'd be worth a shutdown, or worth getting his mage eyes. But I could not. I'm actually surprised I could have killed that guy. I did a lot of damage. Hear me out, 49-inch curved monitor. Wait, you might be cooking. Is that gonna be the setup for the 24-hour PC building stream? I couldn't imagine building a PC for 24 hours. That sounds crazy. Okay, that Rise needs to die. I don't think my team understands the urgency of this Rise dying, because the second he gets a Zanya, his ass is never dying, and he's buying Zanya's next item. He has Banshees, Seraphs, Mage Eyes. We need to kill him before this guy becomes Thanos, otherwise he's gonna stack Mage Eyes like a madman. I'm just pointing it out, this guy's not dying. I just say what needs to be said. That's the truth of the matter.
Standing out is the only option.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh! They did it! Smite gets rid of Banshees. Yeah, it's a spell shield. Smite's a spell. Makes perfect sense to me. I'm actually pretty ahead. Like, I'm actually pretty ahead because I got a lot of my kills are shutdowns. I could actually 100 to 0 the Lee Sin if I get a clean jump on him after I finish this next Lethality item, but like, let me tell you right now, it's not the Lee Sin that's problematic for me. It's actually the Nico. A lot of the time I'm forced to burst everything on her. It's like, I don't want to do that. I just act like nothing ever happened. My evil plan of making Zoe useless worked out, so that's one bonus. So yeah, I made Zoe useless by camping her whole game,